Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we shall talk about a topic that what is basically Microsoft Copilot. Friend, nowadays it's very common that most of the people are talking about that what is Copilot and what are the features. So right now this is the interface of Microsoft Copilot, and you can notice that it's very similar to the Chat GPT-5 or DeepSeek. That it is just like similar to the uh, chatbot, like other chatbots like ChatGPT 5 or DeepSeek. So first of all, we have to understand how you can reach to that interface. So it's very simple. I will say that you just go on to google.com, and on google.com you can write Microsoft Copilot. Okay, just write this thing, Microsoft Copilot, and then this is the link. Click on this link. Okay, and you will reach here. Notice one thing, that if you are new to Microsoft Copilot, then you have to log in through subscribe, like for example by using your Gmail or Microsoft email. You have to log in into the Microsoft Copilot. So once you log in, this is the interface which will look like. First of all, it is very similar, at simply a chatbot. And here you notice that few options are available, like quick response, think deeper. Think deeper is very similar to DeepSeek or ChatGPT. Other option, ChatGPT 5, and actions are available. Then what you can do, like you can write anything here and it will respond you. So few options are available, multiple, like for example create an image, improve writing. So one by one we will see. First we will use this option of create image. Create image of, for example, create image of happy world. I'm just giving this prompt, so I just want to see that how it will look like and how it will generate. So I have just given a prompt to it, and now it's creating. I also want to see that what is the difference between ChatGPT 5 and DeepSeek as well. So here you notice first thing that the response is very quick, and it's creating an image. Like the image has been created, and once this image is created, you can use it uh, in your content wherever you want to. Also you can send to the button. You can download it, copy image, save image. So many things are available. So similarly, it has an option of create image like ChatGPT. Also you can improve writing. Obviously, this is a very common thing. Whatever like you are creating, you are using in office, many a time you need to improve your writing. Second, third thing is translate into Gen Z. So first of all, we have to understand that what is translate uh, Gen Z. So I'm just giving this prompt so that I can understand what is translate to Gen Z. So it will tell me that means Gen Z is basically a slang. Basically, whenever you want to use a slang, for example, let's say you want to translate this formal sentence: I'm feeling quite tired, so luckily rusted I am. So what actually it means, that if you want to use slang words in English, you can use this option. Normally this is used in a normal language, like if you are in USA, if you are in Canada. So maybe this is an option for you to use this thing. Then another one is improve communication. Obviously it's a good. Then design a logo is also a very important option. For example, design a logo for my website related to project management. Okay, I'm just want to create a logo of my project management. I just want to see how it will create a logo. um, it's taking us little time, but again, see that how it will create. The response is good. It quickly responds back, and this is the logo which it has created for project management. Again, this is a good logo. You can use this logo in your website, in your content, for you. Another thing is write a first draft, write a joke, um, and also write a dialogue. Also, I want to use, for example, give me a suggestion, give me how to control high blood pressure. For example, I just need an advice from Copilot that how to control high blood pressure. So I just want to see that how it will response back. So you can notice that it is giving you many options, many suggestions, like lifestyle changes are there, like reduce the salt intake, follow the dash diet, and limit caffeine, exercise regularly, lose excess weight, quit smoking, quit quality get quality sleep. So many options are there. So friend, first of all, I must say that it's a good option if you are a Microsoft user, and you are commonly generally using Microsoft product. So this option is available, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is available in Windows, it's available in Bing, and also it's also available in Microsoft tools like Microsoft Teams. It's available. So whatever the thing, whatever the softwares you are using, you can use it in that tools. Secondly, friend, if you are already using Chat GPT or DeepSeek, so definitely you will notice that this software is very much similar to that, and you can use it accordingly. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.